Welcome to the first episode of True Law Stories. I'm Ian Garlic. I'll be your host for some of the episodes, running the show because over the years I've been telling the stories of businesses, and a lot of them were law firms. 15 years of working with law firms, you hear a lot of stories, and I've captured a lot of those stories. We do at StoryCrews.com. We help capture the stories of law firms, of other businesses. And in our agency, we do video case stories. We do them remotely, so I've interviewed hundreds, if maybe even thousands of people in stories. But what was always interesting to me over the years is how many of the stories that I heard after the camera stopped rolling. The stories that the attorneys told me that weren't part of their marketing, but were super interesting, super exciting. You know, stories from their past. We've got a lot of criminal defense stories coming up as prosecutors, crazy stories of what people have done in the courtroom, crazy stories of divorces, just insane stuff, and also some heartwarming stuff where people, amazing adoption stories where kids and their lives have transformed. So across the board, we'll be talking about these stories, estate planning stories where people's fortunes were taken and they were left destitute and they were able to get that fortune back, and not even fortune, just enough to live off of. And these stories are so interesting to me. I want to start capturing them, and that's where True Law Stories came in. We're going to be interviewing interesting attorneys all around the world. We're starting in the United States and in all practice areas. We'll be doing a lot in Florida, where I'm located. So there's going to be a lot of Florida man stories, so stay tuned for those. We'll be doing all around the United States to start out. Like I said, in criminal defense, accidents, which are crazy stories, family law, divorces, estate stories, which you don't think about those stories, but they happen quite often. Elder abuse, elder law, and we'll be telling you a little bit about how you can maneuver through the law to help prevent some of these things from happening to you. We'll also be talking about people wrongfully accused. A lot of times you see the other side of it. You see the person who is a criminal, or people being accused on TV. So we'll be going through those stories. But most of all, we're just going to have a lot of fun. And hopefully you'll come along on this journey. You'll see the stories evolve. Enjoy the show. Make sure to like it. If you're watching us on YouTube, make sure to subscribe. If you're listening to this on Spotify or on iTunes, make sure to subscribe there. And please leave some comments. Email us. Let us know what you think. It really helps if you're enjoying it. Tell us what you enjoy so we can make more of it. But thank you very much for coming along on this journey. It's once again brought to you by StoryCrews.com, the ultimate resource for video storytelling for your business. I'm Ian Garlic, and this will be True Law Stories.